Papunta ako, nilakad ko lang ang layo buong street mula Sutter all the way to the beach, and then may doon sa dulo ng beach may dumaan na malaking malaking babor. Ang ganda sana ng view, kaso ang hirap habulin, ang bilis niya. Yun na lang, yung buntot na lang ng barko yung nakikita. Gorgeous view of the Alcatraz and the old Spanish galleon, and there's that maritime ship right over there, and the ocean is so calm today. The weather is so beautiful. By the way, I'm here at the Girardelli Square, all the way to up and at the end of the Fisherman's Wharf. Isn't that gorgeous view? It's way better in person. If you see it with your own eyes, you wouldn't even believe how beautiful it is from up here where I'm looking at. Grabe, ang daming iba't ibang chocolate dito, nakakalula. Lalaki ng mga size. The view over there, hindi siya nakikita kasi masyadong maliwanag yung pero pagkapaharap yung camera, kitang-kita. Look at this one right here. Ayun, lalaki Grabe Ayun yung kakao. Ooh, chocolate flavored mix. Mocha, white chocolate mocha, vanilla. 25, almost $26. And they have the chocolate fudge sauce, almost $15.
Hey Jim, I actually found a different one that I want. I want this one. This one's 90.
So much chocolate in one place. And dito rin bumibili ng ng hot fudge. Yung sikat na hot fudge. Look at that. Daming kumakain, diba? Ang haba ng pila for hot fudge. Grabe. Look, ang cute na. Diba, timbangan. Daming chocolate. Yung hot fudge, ayun doon. That's the hot fudge right there. Oh, see? Buy two, get one free. Saan ka pa? Almost almost $40. Pag bumili ka ng dalawa, libre ang isa. Ayan, dito ka o-order, tas doon mo pipick upin. Pwede kang kumain sa labas, maraming upuan, or dito sa loob. Look at that. Look at that cacao, the cacao, the chocolate, and then right there, wow, daming chocolate, yummy, at ang bango, as in, kakaiba yung aroma dito pagpasok mo pa lang, overwhelming, parang gusto mo nang dilaan yung hangin dahil parang lasang-lasa mo yung chocolate sa sobrang aroma ng chocolate. Ayun, may ginagawa, ayun, diba? Wow. And here is the outside of the Girardelli Square. Marami rin mga shops dito sa labas, mga curiosity shops like that one. Wine, mga vinegars na iba-ibang flavor, tas restaurant doon, brewing, mga seafoods, ganyan, tsaka mga beer. Ayan yung sign nila sa taas, Girardelli Square. Pag gabi rito maganda, maraming ilaw. Unexpected yung pagpunta ko rito. Naglakad lang ako ng from sa amin, Bush and Powell all the way to Polk Street. Then from Polk Street, diniretso ko ng lakad. Ayan. Nakarating ako dito sa Girardelli Square nang hindi sinasadya. Ayan ang Girardelli Square. Diba? Girardelli Square. Girardelli Square. Right there. Diyan ako pumasok. Dan doon ako lumabas sa kabila. Ayan yung hot fudge na dinadayo dyan sa loob. Saka syempre iba't ibang chocolate ng Girardelli. Ang laki din ng gift shop nila. At ang ganda ng view over there. Kita yung Alcatraz Island. Another gift shop over there. And may coffee sila. Foghorn Coffee. Oh, ayan, di ba? Mga restaurants. Ayun, ang sign ng Girardelli Square. Ayun. Maganda rito pag Christmas, ang daming decoration. Tsaka full of lights, syempre. Ayan yung yung statue ng mother na mermaid na may baby na mermaid. Ayan. Ayun yung entrance doon. Hey. But this one is cute. Grabe, ang daming tao. Daming tao today. Unexpectedly, ha. Pero kasi maganda yung maganda yung weather. Smells so good. Look at the view. Damn. Look at that galleon right in front of the Alcatraz. Wow. Stand over here. Yan, famous na restaurant din yan dito. But look at that view. Oh, wow. Gorgeous. Nice. Nakapasok na ako sa loob ng galleon na yan. Kasi ginawa ng museum yan. I would say 2005 when I went there, and then I went back maybe 2012. Hindi ko na lang matandaan kung magkano ang tawag dito ang admission fee, but it's interesting, tsaka ang ganda ng loob niyan. Ayun yung view ng ng Golden Gate Bridge. Medyo foggy na on that area, but I can still see the top of the Golden Gate Bridge. Ang ganda ng weather today. Dito masarap din kumain dyan, at saka dyan daming tao. nandun yung sakayan ng cable car. Yung ayun, yung nandun yung turnabout or turnaround. Yun yung dumadaan sa ano, sa Lombard Street, Hyde Street or Hyde Street, parang ganun, Hyde Street. Ghirardelli Square here at Fisherman's Wharf, San Francisco. Such a beautiful weather today. Ang layo ng nilakad ko from Bush and Powell. I walked from Bush and Powell all the way to Oak Street, and then from Oak Street all the way down to Rush. And then yung street, nakita ko yung Fisherman's Wharf. Pupunta na ako. Especially up there at the Ghirardelli Square, dahil gumamit ako ng banyo eh. Tapos pumasok ako sa may bilihan ng hot fudge, yung Ghirardelli Chocolate Factory. Wow, ang ganda talaga dito. Grabe yung Spanish Galleon na yan. Nakakit na ako sa museum na yan ngayon eh. Permanent ano na siya dyan. Masyado maliwanag kayo hindi nakikita, pero i-video ko on the other way around. Ayun yung Golden Gate. Dito kami nanonood ng Independence Day fireworks. This is where people gathered at tapos nanonood ng fireworks. Ang ganda ng lakad, ang sarap ng lakad, ang ganda ng weather, and I'm home. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Thank you for watching.